So, welcome back everyone. So, we will start our lecture from where we have left. So, we'll read today about the natural heritage listed in the World Heritage List. So, the first one is Sagarmatha. So, it was established in 2032 BS, 1976 AD. Establishment of the buffer zone was 2050, 58 BS, 2002 AD. The area covered by this cultural heritage national park is 1,148 square kilometer. The area buffer zone is 217 square kilometer. So it is located in Solukhumbu district of the state one in the eastern part of Nepal. The national park was spread incorporating the world's tallest mountain, that is Mount Everest, 8,848 meters. Its pride has been even increased by the mountain peaks above 6,000 meters like Lhotse, Nupse, Choyo, Pumori, Ahmedabad, and Tamserku in the park. There are four major valleys in the park: Goeku, Kumbu, Chukum, Nagpa, which are being used by the local inhabitants. Go- Gokyo and other related lakes in this park have been included in the Ramsar list of 2000 in 2007. This national park has higher mountainous environment, has a species of trees like chirpine, Himalayan ivy, hemlock, birch, rhododendron. The flower of the rhododendron in the spring seasons makes the forest of the park very attractive and beautiful. The wildlife like musk deer, Himalayan bear, snow leopard, leopard sewer, leopard goral, ren deer, and 193 species of birds including lophophorus, blood pheasants, wild hen, snow hen, red-beaked crow, and yellow-beaked crow are natural jewels of the national park. This park has been listed in the World Heritage since 1979 AD. The second one, Chitwan National Park, is established in 2013. In 1973 AD, established buffer zone was 2053, 1996 AD. The area is 952.6 square kilometer. The area buffer zone was 729.7 square kilometer. The park which covered the Chitwan, Makwanpur, Parsa, some part of the Novel Prasi district in the first national park of the Nepal. So the area of the park is 952, and the park includes the main areas of Chure Hills and of the Rapti, Narayani, and the Riu River. 70% of the park is covered by the forest of the teak. More than 60 kinds of the wild animals are in found in the including rare animals of the world. 100 rhinos, these are the rare animals of the world. Striped tiger, Gangetic dolphin, gaur, Kate bear, leopard, red hair deer, chital, languna, stag, 400 deer, monkey, langur. Likewise, the reptiles and the amphibians, including the gharial, crocodile, mugger crocodile, python, etc., are more than 546 species of the local and immigrant birds are different types of insects and pesticides are made the park richer. Considering the importance of the protecting all these things of the natural importance, Chitwan National Park has been included in the World Heritage listed in 1984. So we'll move to the next topic, that is potential World Heritage sites. Nepal has already enlisted different national heritage in the probable World Heritage list twice in 1996 AD and 2008 AD. Out of that, Lumbini, the birthplace of Lord Buddha, which was enlisted in the potential World Heritage in 1996 AD, which was included in the World Heritage List with the due process of 1997 according to the appeal of the government of Nepal. Apart from this, the following national heritage sites are still enlisted in the potential heritage You can go and search in www.unesco.org site. In this site, you can search there. First one is a cave architecture of Muktinath Valleys in Mustan in 1986. Kokhana, the vernacular village and its mustard oil seed industrial heritage. Rama Grama, the replica stupa of Buddha. The earlier medieval architecture complex of Panauti. Panauti. The medieval palace of complex Gorkha. The Laurat of archaeological remains of the ancient Sakya dynasty, medieval eastern walled city of Lo Mathan, and this is the Ramsagar Stupa Naval Prasi, you can see here, and it is the medieval settlement of Kirti, Pur, Novakot Palace Complex, Ram Janaki Temple, Murti Temple of Complex of the Lake, Rishikesh Complex, Sanja Village, medieval town, Vajra, Yojini, and earlier settlement of the Sanghu. So in the next table we will discuss about the natural and cultural heritage of the Nepal is enlisted in the heritage. First is the Changunarayan temple which was established in 1979 AD. Inscription of Changunarayan temple, Bhaktapur Darbar in 1917, Shambhunath, Buddha Stupa, Hanuman Darbar in 1979 AD, and Pasupatinath in 1979, and its area is 264 hectare. Pasupatinath temple, Jagaveswari, Patna, Pathan Devpatan, Guveswari. So Pathan Darbar in 1979, Krishna temple, Mahabuddha, Rato, Chandranath, and Sagarmatha National Park in 1975, Chitwan National 1984 with the area of 932 square kilometer. And the last one is Lumbini, which is established in 1997 AD, which is its area of 11,115 square kilometer. It is the birthplace of Buddha. Maya Devi temple. There is a Maya Devi temple of Asoka pillar. Puskarini pond museum. And so you need to remember the area, that is 11,150 square kilometer. So with this we will end this lecture. Thank you. We will meet you in the next chapter of this book, Nepal Parichay. So thank you for listening this lecture. So we'll meet in the next chapter of this book. So thank you.